So I've got a Honda 300 where the oil bolt here has stripped out of the bottom of the oil pan. And so in order to fix this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace it with an oversized bolt. So the original bolt is an M12, so a metric 12 millimeter. I'm going to replace it with a 14. The 14 I bought was too long, so I put on a couple of washers and I put this nut on, and then I cut the end off with a grinder. And the reason I put the nut on is it protects the thread, so when I turn it off, the thread will be perfect. So here's just the replacement. So here's the tap I'm going to use, and I'm going to drive that tap with my little impact drill here. And I picked a 12 point because the 12 point will fit on the square head of the tap, and it actually, when I drilled it out, it and retapped it, I guess, it came out quite nice and easy. But there's filings everywhere, so now I have to deal with potential filings inside the oil pan. So in order to deal with the filings, I've got this little magnet here, which came off of a fridge magnet, and I'm going to glue that on with JB Weld because the JB Weld won't dissolve in the oil. And I just need a little dab to make it stick there, let it harden, and then I just need to find myself a crush washer, or maybe like a rubber ring washer. I've got some of those kicking around somewhere. And once I turn that in, I will now have a seal with brand new fresh threads. Let's see if we can see the threads. And there you go, they're nice and shiny, and you can see the shavings. But yeah, that is going to be fixed, and it will no longer be dripping oil out the bottom. Easy fix. You spend a couple of dollars. The tap was probably the most expensive because I didn't have one that size, but pretty simple fix. It'll work on pretty much any machine. You just gotta oversize a little bit, and away you go.